Are you feeling constantly stressed and mentally drained? Are you finding it harder to focus lately? Does it feel like the pressures of life just keep piling on, leaving you exhausted and stressed? It's not just you, millions of people are feeling the effects of chronic stress, lack of focus, and mental fog in today's fast-paced world. But what if we told you there's a natural way to regain control? In this video, we'll dive into how adaptogens can help reduce your stress and boost mental clarity, arming you with the energy and resilience you need to thrive. Stick with us because we'll be revealing the adaptogens that can transform your day-to-day life, and there's one in particular you won't want to miss. Welcome to Lean Body Optimal. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. So what are adaptogens? And why can they be essential in managing stress? Adaptogens are more than a wellness buzzword, they're nature's secret weapon against stress. Imagine having a shield that not only protects your body from the daily wear and tear of stress but actually makes you stronger. Adaptogens are unique herbs that help your body adapt to stress and restore balance. So, if life feels like one big uphill battle, adaptogens could be the answer you've been searching for. The science behind adaptogens. Adaptogens work by normalizing bodily functions. Unlike caffeine or sugar that give you a temporary high, adaptogens support your body's natural ability to handle stress, stabilize energy, and enhance focus. Picture it as giving your body the strength it needs to keep you moving, even on the toughest days. Here are the top adaptogens for stress and focus. Ashwagandha, the anti-stress hero. Do you often feel wired but tired? That bone-deep exhaustion that no amount of sleep can shake off? Ashwagandha may be the relief you're craving. Known for reducing cortisol levels, the hormone that makes you feel constantly stressed, ashwagandha helps to calm the mind and promote relaxation. Studies show it can reduce cortisol levels by up to 30%, easing symptoms of anxiety and chronic stress. Imagine feeling calm and composed, even on your busiest days. Ashwagandha can help you experience that calm amidst the chaos. Rhodiola rosea, the resilience builder. Have you noticed how even small tasks feel monumental when you're stressed? Rhodiola is here to help. It's known to improve resilience, boost energy, and lift brain fog. When life's demands feel unrelenting, Rhodiola can support you in keeping up with your day without draining your energy. This adaptogen is especially popular among people facing high-stress environments, like competitive workplaces. Think of Rhodiola as your mental recharge, making you feel sharper and more resilient even on your toughest days. Holy Basil, the calm-inducing adaptogen. For those moments when everything feels too much, Holy Basil is like a comforting hand on your shoulder. This adaptogen promotes mental clarity and can help soothe frayed nerves, leaving you feeling calmer and more centered. It helps lower blood sugar and cortisol levels, making it an excellent adaptogen for people experiencing stress-induced symptoms like poor digestion and insomnia. Imagine being able to handle challenges with a clear head and a steady heart. Holy Basil offers that calming presence in your life. Enjoying the video? Then please click the subscribe button, like and share if you're finding this helpful, and for more videos. Not all adaptogens are for stress relief, some work exceptionally well for improving focus and mental clarity. We've explored some powerful adaptogens, but there's one that stands out for its remarkable effects on both stress and focus. It's known for creating a profound sense of calm and clarity. Stick around to the end, because we'll reveal this powerhouse herb, it just might become your new go-to. Up next, ginseng, the energy and focus enhancer. Are you struggling with mental fog? Ginseng is the ideal adaptogen for clarity and sustained energy. It's known to improve focus, endurance, and mental sharpness without the jitters you might get from caffeine. With ginseng, you'll feel clear-headed and ready to take on your day. Picture ginseng as your natural power-up, providing a steady boost that keeps you sharp and focused. Bacopa monnieri, the memory and mental stamina booster. If you find yourself forgetting things or feeling mentally tired, Bacopa monnieri could be your solution. It's a powerful adaptogen traditionally used to boost memory, concentration, and cognitive stamina. Bacopa monnieri is particularly valuable for those who need mental endurance to stay focused and present throughout the day. Imagine staying sharp and mentally agile, even during the busiest of days. Bacopa monnieri could be the key to keeping your focus steady. Remember, we're getting closer to revealing that one adaptogen with unique effects on stress resilience and focus. You won't want to miss it. How to incorporate adaptogens into your routine. Incorporating adaptogens doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a small amount, observe how your body responds, and gradually adjust as needed. Adaptogens take time to show effects, so consistency over weeks or months is key to seeing the best results. Remember, each person's body reacts differently, so finding your personal sweet spot is important. Tea, capsules, or powder, what's right for you? Whether you prefer to sip on adaptogenic teas, take capsules, or add powders to your smoothies, there's an option for everyone. Find what fits seamlessly into your life, making adaptogens a natural part of your routine rather than an added task. When to take adaptogens for maximum benefits. Adaptogens work best when taken consistently over time. Many people find that taking them in the morning helps set a balanced tone for the day, while others prefer them at night for better sleep. Alright, the surprise adaptogen you've been waiting for. We finally arrived at lion's mane, a powerful adaptogen often overlooked but unmatched in its dual ability to reduce stress and enhance focus. This adaptogen is widely praised for its cognitive benefits, enhancing memory and mental clarity while also soothing stress. If you're searching for a way to feel sharper and more in control, lion's mane could be your ultimate ally. Lion's mane supports brain health by stimulating nerve growth factors, keeping your mind resilient and sharp, even under stress. Imagine being able to tackle tasks with a clear mind and a calm heart, no matter what life throws at you. When selecting adaptogens, think about what you need most. If calming stress is your main goal, Ashwagandha or Holy Basil might be ideal. For sharper focus and sustained energy, ginseng, bacopa monnieri, and lion's mane can be transformative. We're nearing the end, but stick around for one final tip on how to mix and match adaptogens for even better results. Combining adaptogens, the synergistic effect. Some adaptogens work beautifully together. For example, Rhodiola and lion's mane can boost mental clarity and energy, while ashwagandha and holy basil offer a calming balance. Start with one or two adaptogens and build from there to see what combination works best. Today, we've covered some of nature's most effective tools for tackling stress and enhancing focus. Adaptogens are here to help you find resilience, calm, and clarity in the chaos. Imagine waking up ready to take on your day, feeling clear-headed and centered. Remember, finding the right adaptogens and the ideal routine takes time, so start small, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Always seek the advice of your physician or qualified health provider prior to starting any new treatment. Stress doesn't have to control your life. With the right support, you can reclaim your focus, peace, and energy. Adaptogens can be that support, so why not start your journey today? Remember to subscribe so you never miss any videos and click on any of the links below in the description to download free reports or links to solutions and to our website.